In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change sender email in Mailchimp. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. Into this, you can click onto this login option in order to log into their site if you already have an account. If you don't have an account yet, head over and click onto this sign up option that we can see right here onto the bottom. So head over and click onto this in order to sign up for an account. Now, this is what my homepage looks like. In order to change the sender email address in Mailchimp, we need to update the from name and email address within the campaign settings or audience settings. So for example, you can head over right here to the audience settings, and we have in here our contact, which is me right here. So we can change the email address as well as the first name right here. Another option that we can do is we can head over first into our campaigns option. So in here we have our campaign, and you can actually edit this particular draft. For example, let's click onto this edit option right here, and you can see this. We have in here the from option. So expand this part and remove right here the email address and change or edit it. You can also change the name right here and then click onto the save option right here in order to save it. If you want to set a default from field, you can click onto this option or button right here, and then this will open this particular setting that we have. Now this should be able to help us with the support for this part in order to change the default from and options right here. Now you can actually access it more than on the audience dashboard right there. So to do that, let's head over to the audience dashboard. Click onto this right here. And then in here we have our audience. You can add your contacts, which is yourself into this case, and then it sent or add this as default onto this. So that's how you change sender email in Mailchimp. Hope we helped.